Hey there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and let's have a look at different types of operators available in Python. So Python supports various operators: arithmetic, plus, minus, multiplication, division, mod, floor division, and exponential, that is 2 asterisk. It supports comparison operators: less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to and not equal to. Logical operators and, or and not. Bitwise operators, ampersand as a symbol, or and XOR. Identity operators, that is and is not. We will be deep diving into each and every operator in the upcoming videos. Till then, happy learning, take care, and bye-bye.